Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to open the menu. To do it, press and hold, or rather not press and hold, but press the lower button on the left side of the watch. Once the menu opens, use the upper button and the lower button on the right side to scroll through the menu. Select the settings option. Once you select it, press the middle button to enter. Now, select the general settings and press the middle button. Then scroll down, select the language option and press the middle button. And here you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by using the upper and lower buttons on the right side. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it and select it, press the middle button to confirm. Then press it again, and the language should be applied. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.